yoga posture which I am going to show you is mountain pose. So press the ball of your feet, all 10 toes on the mat, big toes touching and heels slightly apart. Roll your shoulder blade back, let your hands hang down beside your torso and then close your eyes. Stand in mountain pose. This pose is very beneficial to improve your posture. It cures sciatic pain and it also cures if anyone having flat feet problem. Stay in this pose for 30 seconds. Now next yoga posture is just press your palm in Namaste Mudra or Anjali Mudra and then slowly raise your hand above. Look at your hand. Your hand should be behind your ear. Stay in this pose. This is upward salute pose. For 30 seconds. This pose helps to improve digestion and also helps to cure asthma problem. Slowly release. Now next pose which I am going to show you is standing forward bending pose. You have to keep one thing in mind when you practice this pose. You have to fold forward from the hip joint, not from your waist. So first stand in mountain pose, lift your tailbone up, hands in your waist and slowly fold forward from your hip joint. You can keep your palm beside your feet. You have to notice your knee should be straight. Or you can keep your palm in front of your feet. If it is too much for you, if you have any lower back issue, then you can hold your opposite elbow and let your head hang down. So the next pose which I am going to show you is triangle pose. To perform this pose, first stand in mountain pose, hands in waist. I'm showing you first the right side. So first lift your right leg up, step back. The distance between 2 feet should be 3 to 4 feet. Right feet should be parallel to the mat. Now extend your both arms in shoulder distance. Then your both legs should be straight. You have to keep this in mind. Then slowly reach forward. Reach, 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 and then keep your hands down. And look at your right hand. If it is too much for you, you grab a yoga block and keep your hand on the block. And then look at your right hand. Stay here for 30 counts. Triangle pose helps in digestion. It tones your abdominal muscles and it also strengthens your leg, calf and ankle. Slowly lift up and then the other side. This time just change your leg. Left foot parallel to the yoga mat. Both legs straight. Extend your hands in shoulder level and slowly reach forward. Reach. Come to triangle pose. Look at your left hand. If you cannot do it, it's too much for you, then keep your palm on the yoga block. And stay in triangle pose. Right side. Slowly come out of the posture. And then come to the top of the mat. Take 2 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. The next yoga pose is pyramid pose. To perform this pose, you have to lift your right leg up, step back. Now, this time the distance is 1 to 2 feet and my right feet is 45 degrees. Then bring your torso to the front and slowly fold forward. rest your palm on the mat and try to touch your head to the knee. If it is too much for you, grab a block and then rest your palm on the mat. Stay here for 30 seconds. Pyramid pose helps to calm your brain and helps to strengthen your core and legs. Now other side. Lift up, hands in waist, extend your arms to shoulder level and then move to the right side. Bring your torso to the front and then slowly fold forward. This option 1, you can rest your palm on the mat, touch your head to the knee, or you can keep your palm on the yoga block and then touch your head to the knee. You have to keep in mind that both knees should be straight. Slowly come out of this posture. Come to the top of the mat. Take a couple of breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The next pose which I am going to show you is wide leg forward bend. So, to perform this pose, I will lift my right leg and I will extend my leg as much as I can. My both feet should be parallel to each other, hand in waist, and then I will slowly fold forward from my hip joint. Then I will rest my hand on the floor and then I will touch my head. If it is too much for you, you can grab a block and keep your head on the block, or you can keep it in maximum height and stay here in this pose for 30 counts. This pose helps to strengthen the back and the inner thigh and also helps to calm your brain. Stay in this pose for 30 counts. Slowly come out of this posture. Come to the top of the mat. Take a couple of breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Chant one Om to close our practice. Take a deep breath in. Thanks for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.